How to fix Instagram you can't send messages for 3 days. So all what you have to do guys to fix this problem is you need to send a message into the Instagram support team. And if you want to do that, all what you have to do is easy. Open your Instagram, go to your profile, open the settings right here. Now right here you need to go to this help option, click on this report a problem, click on report problem without shaking. Now you need to wait a few seconds. Now right here you need to send a message to the Instagram team, for example, hello, I can't send messages for 3 days without any reason, thank you, and then send a screenshot of the problem right here and or a photo from gallery. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.